And my uncle calling me like, where you at? Started from the bottom, now the whole team kicking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team running there. Ladies! We just want to try to rest up. I'm worried about me, what about you? This is a reminder to myself. Started from the whole team kicking here. Now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team running there. Started from the bottom, now we here.
Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Ho, H to the OV. You call me CEO of the ROC. Fresh out the frying pan into the fire arena. Music biz #1 supplier.
You might not be able to, but that's all right. You might not be able to. I'm pretty sure. And look, she's excited about that shit. She's like, I did that. I got pregnant. What are you doing? Yes, hi,
Y'all tell.
Did you enjoy yourself?
I did. Tell Tori happy birthday, y'all.
Happy birthday.
No, them. Y'all want to jump in the episode of Songs of Real Life?
Are you going to invite us?
Oh! What'd I just do?
You want to ask us to do something, and then you don't never bring us on board.
What'd I just do? What'd I just do? Didn't I just invite them? I just invited them, didn't I?
Yes, I'm coming. Yes.
He just invited.
No, hell no.
Oh.
Hell no.
Hell no, we won't go.
Pretty funny fish. Turns up.
Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, baby.
Six pack.
We out.
I'm not trying to lick your face.
She tried to lick my face. She tried to make me.
I can't remember my car keys.
Where's my car?
Hey, Daystar!
So basketball closed the block.
Yo, it's your boy Bash, your boy Daystar. We closing the vlog out and we closing it nicely. Deuces, but you like this. Deuces.
We have flappers.
Bash a hug.
I do want to get back to you.
Oh, Steve Nash. Assist. You on Twitter? I think this nigga assist.
I'll give you my business card.
Hey, watch this.
How about we keep it professional?
Oh yeah, we keep it professional.
Professional up in here. That's how the Armenians do. Okay, we're all about business.
All about business.
Transaction.
Yeah, we're gonna have a pleasure transaction. Yes. Oh, nigga, she by herself.
And you ain't do nothing. Go
I
get
ain't
it.
do nothing.
So go get it.
No, I'm dressed like a thug today. I wasn't
So what?
planning
She
on
might
coming
like
here.
thugs.
NBA
He like a little
entertainment.
girl, son. He like this shorty. He didn't even talk to her, son.
Come
Like
with
a little
me, man.
girl.
Look, just
Come
come
with
with
you.
me. Come
He's
with
not
me.
even. He's like
Just
we in
come
high
with me,
school.
man.
He's like, just come with me.
Hey, be like, hey, my boy like you. Come on.
I'm
So
a
what are you doing for your
supporter,
birthday?
I'm here. This is my birthday.
Oh, yeah. How old are you?
23.
23. So you drinking?
No.
She from Canada.
Oh, you from Canada? What part?
Ontario, like
She's
45 minutes outside Toronto.
Rexdale.
She's just visiting. I met her on tour, and she sang. She did the show with us and like Walk Off the Earth and stuff. Oh, what's up, brother?
Are you vlogging?
You're vlogging all
Oh
the
my
time.
god, I'm
you
gonna
know?
hit so many
You did a show?
subscribers. Did you go on stage?
I did. I did like 10 minutes. Or so.
This is so awesome. You
Killed that shit.
killed it like a Scottish man in a dress.
Let him talk, let him talk, let him talk, let him talk, let him talk. Long as my niggas lying on their riches, got no time for these watches. They ain't laying on these bitches, they just lying on their notches. Skip them like first class. Now I'm in the cockpit, combination to the game. Course I'm gon' lock it. Modern day prophet, saying in every song.